tested. Hi, I'm Will Smith with Tested.com.
And I'm Norm with Tested.com.
We're here today to talk about what's in this box. What do you think's in the box, Norm?
Oh, it's a pretty big box.
It is a big box.
Fancy.
It has a question mark on the, I wrote that with a magic marker like 3 minutes ago.
Is it J.J. Abrams' magic mystery box? No. His grandfather got one?
There's numbers on the top. It's 94965. Do they have significance? 9496? Maybe it's our zip code, actually. So, okay, well, let's kill the suspense.
What's in the box, Will? What
is in this box is a MakerBot CupCake CNC.
What is that?
Well, it's funny you ask. A MakerBot CNC, it's a rapid prototyping machine. So it's basically a 3D printer. It's something that we can feed a 3D model into, and that 3D model is going to get printed out one layer at a time, you know, one little piece of plastic at a time, using like a roll of, kind of looks like the weed whacker string.
Okay, all right.
So let's open it up and see what's inside.
All right, let's do it.
Now, it's probably unassembled. I don't really know what's going to be inside here. We haven't opened it, as you can see. The packing material
It's not going to Office
secure.
Depot and buying a printer from HP.
No. And they don't make themselves. So you can't like use this to make another one of these things. It's just for kind of inanimate.
All right, let's open the box.
Plastic. I have my trusty knife. It is a Leatherman Skeletool CX. It has carbon fiber, so that's pretty cool. I'm cutting the tape. Now normally unboxing videos are kind of lame, but this is something I've never seen unboxed before. And it's something I'm kind of excited about because, you know, rapid prototypers, 3D printers are pretty neat. I mean,
so who makes this?
This is the guys who make Magazine. MakerBot Industries make these. And they're some dudes up in Brooklyn. Ooh. It seems as though they wrote us a nice note. All right. I'm not going to read this, but we'll post maybe a screenshot or something of it in the video.
So let's...
Hold on, and let's see if there's anything we need to know. There are a lot of parts into which we'll make into components. It's like a Tinker Toy kit. We got to put it all together. Holy crap. Okay, so this is the...
There's a parts list.
That's the parts list.
Very
This
handy.
is the raw material. So, like I said, it looks kind of like weed whacker string, right?
So this is plastic that goes into the finished box.
It gets put on a spool and it'll get fed into the machine, and the machine will melt it and you know,
turn it into things that we want. More plastic.
Ooh, a lot of plastic there. This is black, so another giant spool.
Okay. Some bubble wrap.
Okay, that looks like a
this
PC
looks like a
power supply.
Power supply.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is, actually. We could have brought our own, but we paid for the deluxe.
Nothing fancy.
I paid for the deluxe version of the kit, so we wouldn't have to track down a power supply. So,
it's 400 watts.
400 watts, so it's a little power supply. This is the Plastruder MK4.
So let's open up.
So this is actually the print head. So on a 2D printer, the thing that, you know, takes the inkjet and spits out. I don't want to risk. Wow, there's a whole bunch of pieces in here. We're gonna have to put this thing together, I think. So let's. Yeah, there's a lot to that. We're gonna put this one aside. I don't want to. That's the delicate part of the whole thing. But basically, that's the thing that melts the plastic and puts the little tiny blobs out of it in jets.
This is kind of heavy. It's a priority mail box. Let's open this.
Oh, okay.
Wonder what this could be.
Rip and tear here. Go.
Lots of cables.
Yeah, so this is probably all the wires and stuff that we need to connect the Plastruder. Looks like there's some stepping motors which control both the side-to-side and the up and down. Yep. Yeah. Bearings, belts, pulleys, all sorts of crazy stuff. They even gave us wrenches. That's cool. So these are all gears and cogs, and there's instructions that tell us how to put the whole thing together online, so we'll definitely check that out.
It's a lot, it looks very complicated.
Yeah, it's definitely not like it's not something for the weak of heart. So, okay, so a bunch of stuff in there, and then there's one more box.
Inside the box.
Put this stuff down here. Watch out, there's a bunch of big magnets in that box, it looks like, so we don't want to accidentally torch anything electronic.
You want to cut that open?
Trusty knife again. You're not supposed to cut towards yourself, but I figured that was better than cutting toward you, Norm. Okay, so then this last bit looks like it's the actual frame for it. So this is all laser cut wood, and it's the frame that goes around the box. And so what this does is it builds a kind of ratcheted frame that the print head can go up and down and side to side and all that stuff.
It's really funny if I broke this.
Yeah, please don't break that. Oh, this is yeah, it looks like it's wooden plexiglass.
So let's take out this final piece. Show you. This will be the front of it, I think. Oh, and
look and see. So it looks like they etched in all the instructions into what we need to know. So
the
cool.
MakerBot.
So yeah, so that is the unboxing of the MakerBot CNC CupCake machine. We're gonna go back upstairs, put it together, maybe shoot a video of that we'll post later this week, and then we'll show you how it actually works, what it's like to use it, and what kind of stuff you can make. with your very own $950, $750 rapid prototype.
And we'll be asking you.
Yeah, this is important.
What you want us to make, so that you know you can make things like 4 inches by 4 inches by 6 inches.
I think that's the basic. Yep. Basically, if you want to find out exactly what you can make and how to do it, you need to go to MakerBot.com. Check out their wiki. They have all sorts of instructions and stuff there. It tells you specifically what you want. What we'll be doing throughout the week is picking our favorite stuff that you guys send in. You can make models in SketchUp or any number of other 3D apps. If you send us the models, we'll print it out for you, and we'll talk about it on camera and send it back. Send you a printed out version of whatever it is you designed. So to do that, send it to editors at tested.com. So for Tested and the MakerBot and Norm Chan, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later.